I'm Zoe. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make hard dough bread. Let's get started. Add 3½ cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add half stick of cold butter. Combine the butter with the flour mixture. It should look like this. Add 1 cup of warm water. Mix, mix, mix. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt. Need to combine everything. It should look smooth after kneading. Add a little bit of oil on top of the dough. It should be nice and smooth. Remove the wrap. Spread some oil on the countertop. Place the dough on the oily surface. Use your hands to flatten the dough. Put the dough in the greased pan. Bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. There's some melted butter on the surface of the loaf. This is my Jamaican Hard Dough Bread. Thanks for watching Living with Zoe. Please subscribe.